In this video, we are going to be looking into Fundrise annual returns. Okay, what should be your expectations? What should you be expecting when it comes to Fundrise investing? Investing into Fundrise, and we are talking about the real estate investing. By now you know that there is money, real money in real estate. Many people have been asking me, okay, the Forex Apostle, are you a real estate agent right now or realtor? I am none of those. Okay, I'm just an investor, and as you know, okay, the name of my company is Hidden Riches LLC, and what we specialize on is looking, we scout around for hidden riches, both online and offline, and we expose them to you. So I just major in Forex trading, but then when you make money in Forex, how do you diversify that money? How do you diversify your income? How do you protect your asset? Now we'll be talking about inflation, hyperinflation. How do you protect your asset? That money you are making right now, how do you protect it? If you are making $1,000 per month, what $1,000 can buy right now, in the next 3-4 years, even possibly 2,000 might not be able to buy it. So instead of you keeping that money in your bank account, why don't you invest it? So that is what we talk about when we discuss personal finance and how do you invest your money and so on and so forth. But of course, I cannot tell you what to do with your money, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing that is working for me. Hi, my name is Emmanuel Adigbola. They call me the Forex Apostle. So in this video, we're going to be continuing the Fundrise reviews, talking about the annual returns that you should expect from Fundrise if you invest. And I will be taking you into my portfolio. I just started the Fundrise 2 months ago, actually. So, but there have been so much, a lot of questions. How can I get started? How do I get started, and so on and so forth? How much can I make if I invest $10? And by the way, if you're watching this video, I think about last 2-3 weeks, I created a video on how to start real estate investing, starting with $10. So that video, you will see it somewhere on this video. Okay, make sure you click on it, or I will drop the link at the description of this video. Make sure you click on it, watch it before you even continue with this video. So in that video, I introduce you to real estate investing, whatever you are making right now, how you can start investing it. And by the way, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, come on now, do me a favor. What are you waiting for? Smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friends. Many people that have been disturbing you, borrow me money, do this, do that. Come on, send this video to them. Let them know what you are doing with your money. So when you tell them, okay, I don't have money, I don't have any money left, then they should understand that, okay, yes, your money is not just liquid. Your money is not just lying down somewhere, doing nothing. So this is how to make your money work for you. So I'm going to be taking you behind the scene, take you to the dashboard, show you how to get started, sign up for to start investing into real estate using Fundrise platform. How much should you be expecting? I'm talking about the annual returns and so on and so forth. So we're going to be getting into that, but let me give you 5 seconds. Like this video right now. Yes, like this video, share this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. And I'm going to give you 5 seconds, and we will continue with this video in a second. All right, welcome back. So let's quickly take a look at what you should be expecting if you type on Google Fundrise annual returns. There are different people that posted different returns they get, and based on, of course, what is going on in the market. But I hope this is not like the kind of return you should expect. Like if you invested into cryptos or bought cryptos, you can buy a cryptocurrency and within, overnight, you can get like 100% return. You can get 62% return. but then that crypto also can just go to $0, you know. So, and I like what I said in the previous video of this series, I said we have three categories of investing. Okay, there are some investing that are short term. Okay, short term. There are some that are medium, and there are some that are long term. So it's just like a farmer. A farmer plants tomatoes, plant corn, and plant iroko tree. You know, so if you plant tomatoes, I mean, you harvest that within 3 months. If you plant corn, you harvest that within 4 to 6 months. But if you plant something like a cocoa tree or a iroko tree or palm tree, you know, that is a long-term harvesting, and that is where real estate investing fall into. So if you want to buy premium homes, okay, you want to buy premium homes, and I'm talking about homes like this. Okay, I'm talking about homes like this, all these premium homes. You know, you want to invest into apartments building like this. You are looking into $3.862 million. If you want to buy, I mean, taking a look at a partner like this is $25 million. Okay, so I mean, for you to buy that, definitely you need a lot of money to put down. So now, how can you begin to invest into real estate even with that little capital you have? And that is when we're talking about Fundrise. There are a lot of them, but this is the one I'm using, and that is why I revealed this to you. So when you go online and look for annual returns on Fundrise, you will see this one is between 8.76% to 12.42%. As I said, it might not be a huge returns. I mean, I make this in Forex within a month. So, but then it's not all about Forex. The money I make from Forex, I diversify. If you go to millionacres.com, the average right there also you can see is a 10.11%. If you go also to listing money matters, talks about 12 to 14%, but this depends on the year. Okay, this depends on the year, and it depends on how much you put and what also is going on in the market. So when you, I mean, you can just scan through like that, you will see different return. But I'm going to take you to my portfolio. As I said, I started just 2 months ago, and right now I invest $1,000 every month. That is my goal. The goal is to increase it to $5,000, and of course eventually increase it to like $10,000 per month. So that is my goal. At least if I could be investing, let's say $10,000 every month, okay, for 1 year, that would be $120,000. That is my goal. Okay, that is my goal. So in 10 years, okay, in 10 years, the goal is to have at least $1 million in this platform. So that $1 million in 10 years, I can now, you know, cash out and diversify this and split to different assets of my own. But right now, I'm doing a lot of things. I don't have time to be scouting around, looking for properties, even though I do real estate investing, talking about the wholesaling aspect. But then I don't have time to be, you know, chasing tenants around, do this, do that. I mean, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So this is how you can make your money work for you. Okay, so like if you might not have $10,000, you might not have a $1,000. So as I said, you can start with $10 every month. Okay, you start with $10 every month. There are categories, there are different levels on how to be part of this. So in 2 months, okay, I've had $5.69 as a return. I mean, whoa, come on. That is a lot of money. That is a lot of money. If I keep this $2,000 in my bank account, by now, I will not even get that. Okay? But by the way, this is a real asset. If I'm filing my income tax right now, this $2,000 is going to be more or less a write-off also, because it's invested into real estate. Okay? So, and where my money went to, when you look into this is my portfolio. Taking a look at this quick view. My money is part of this. My money is part of this. My money is part of this. In fact, there is one that is actually very close to where I live, single right here. Okay, this property is 1,754,000. Okay, my money was added to this. So you just take a bite. Okay, take a bite. We are talking about crowdfunding, crowdsourcing. So you don't have that big money to buy, but that little one, you can also put it. Now the question is, how do you get started? How do you get started? To get started investing, all you have to do is go to www.joinfundrise.com. www.joinfundrise.com. I'm just going to use a fake email address. So just put let's say just put any email address and say, your email address. That's to be your email address. So you just click on get started. Once you click on that, it's going to ask you to create password and so on and so forth, and you follow the steps. So then you will get to a place whereby you choose, okay, which categories do you want to join? Okay, there are different levels. As I said, you can start with $10 or $100. You then, of course, you can also set your goals. If I come over here, this is where you set your goals. This is where you set your goals. So you click on more. You see goals. You can see my goal is by 2028, okay, to have $1 million in this account. That is my goal. And right now, I'm still very, very far. I'm still right here. Okay, I'm still very, very far. So for me to be able to meet up with that goal, what I would be expected is at least auto invest 9,265. So as I said, what you don't track, you are not able to account for it. So my goal is at least, let's say $10,000 every month. So $10,000 every month. If I do that by you can see it's telling me attention required, you are falling off track. So I need to keep up. Then I need to up my game so that at least every month I'll be able to put in something, you know, like 10 grand into this account, and just let it grow. Let your money work for you. So this is how you start, get started with a real estate investing when your money is working for you. So as you can see, the dividend here, $2.56, appreciation $3.30, advisory fee, which is, it's normal. These people are working for me. Okay, they are working for me. So my portfolio is as my account is basic level, okay, and my investment plan is basic portfolio. If I want to add fund, I just click on add fund and so on and so forth. So this is how you go about it. And if you want to see how this really works in real time, just go and read the features and what all this entails. Okay, you can read about all of this online. Okay, read about this all online. And as I said, you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to start to be great. You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to start to be great. Investing takes discipline. Maybe you don't have a $1,000 a month. It could be $100 a month. The truth of the matter is, many people, many working class adults actually have this money. So my question for you is that what are you doing for your retirement? What are you doing for your retirement? Or you only depends on that job, job, just over broke? What happens if that money, goes out? There's a friend of mine that I introduced to stocks, and I'll be talking about stocks investing also. She doesn't even know what she's doing. Even up to now, she still asks me, oh, what do I invest in? What do I invest in? But do you know that when she started, she had no clue? And as I'm talking to you now, she has thousands of dollars in her stash account. Okay, that is how you invest. You spread your tentacle, you spread your investment. You invest into stocks. As you are making that money, there's nothing wrong in working on a job or jobs, but you don't want to stay there. So inside every paycheck that you have, there's a seed, and there is that bread. You don't want to be the bread and the seed eater. Okay, God provides both the seed and the bread for you. So when you have that, it is your responsibility to make sure that you invest the seed. You don't eat the seed. And how can you do that? Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. Your personal education is the greatest investment you can make. So if you're watching this video and you are contemplating, okay, how do I get started? You don't even know. Come on now. That is why I'm here for you, okay? I'm called the Forex Apostle, but it's not just all about Forex. It's bigger than Forex. What we do is personal finances. We talk about investing. We look into stocks. We look into cryptocurrencies, of course, major in Forex trading. And we look into other areas of investing, okay? Once again, I really appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed, come on now. Smash that subscribe button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share this video with someone you might not know who you will be a blessing to. Okay, and once again, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Once again, I will see you at the top.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.